Good afternoon. Back in the shop. Got some new shelving in from Home Depot. It's the Husky line. So we're going to unbox this and see what it looks like. You can watch. Yeah, by the way, I will speed this up because I know this is probably going to just be a boring process. I will speed it up for you, get it unboxed, start putting it together. I'll stop periodically, but other than that, stay tuned. Okay, well, there it is. Almost dropped it on the floor. But that's what it's about. Get this out of here. Okay. Sticky stuff on it. We'll stick that right there. Anyway, got to put the little shelf brackets in. Let's grab a couple. This is so you can strap it to the wall for safety purposes. But I was a little confused. I thought these were shelves when I started taking them out of the box. But they're not, obviously. It's the back. Gives it a lot of strength. You have adjustable feet on the bottom, so you can level it, which is good. Let me grab these shelf brackets out. So overall, that took me an hour, maybe a little more, I guess. Getting it out of the box, getting it put together. Let's see how these fit. Interesting. So it just drops right in. Drops right into place. Just as snazzy as can be. Well, that's nice. Lock those. There. Got it. So we are there. And this way, right there. Let's go grab a shelf. See how those bad boys fit in here. Apparently right there in the slots. Very sturdy shelf, look at that. Now I bought another box of shelves because these come with 3. I got another box of 2. So I wanted to add, obviously, another shelf. So let me put you back over here. Okay. Thinking. Probably easier way. Pull this out would, and this is how I'm going to do it. I have no idea if it's the easier way or not, but pull out the front one. Slide the shelf up in here. I guess that's in. Slip in the other 2 in the front. And slides right down. There. Nice and solid. Good. I mean, you know, I'm 195 pounds. Didn't seem to bend it at all. word to the wise, when you set your shelf up in its final position, have it tilt back just a tad. So when you open your doors, they will do that and not come back closed on you when you're trying to get something out. Okay. Really don't like they did this. A little attitude adjuster right there. So, I mean, we can put another shelf right here if I wanted to. I don't. For now, I'm just going to put the 3 shelves in that I have. That one had quite an attitude. So, put this last one. The last one. I don't know why I'm saying last. It isn't. These are for wires, in case you haven't figured that out. So you could have your battery charger for your power tools in here with your power tools and run your wire out to a plug. Boom, there you go. So if it caught on fire, for example, it would be encased in a metal cabinet. Oh, one more. No, got 2 more. Huh. I only have one more. No, I was counting wrong because it takes 4. Anyhow. And these are strong. These aren't going to rip off. Now I looked at another cabinet that was red. Not trying to knock anybody. Was not happy with the construction of it. Plus, it was more money. So, I kind of like it. They're good and sturdy. Once I get them back over there by the toolbox, over there, I will level out my little casters. Oh, by the way, magnetized here with a lock. Oh, okay. I was looking to see how this one locked, but That one goes on top of it. So you know, you can't open without opening both. But that one goes in, lock, bar slides up and down this way, locks it into place. So, maybe I will do that right now while I'm sliding it around. So I don't have doors sliding everywhere. I bought another cabinet, so it's making me wonder, and I won't use this lock anyway, but makes me wonder if it's keyed the same or if they're all different. There you go. All right, Husky cabinet number 1. Paid $260-ish, something like that, for it. 30-inch wide cabinet, 6 feet tall. I like it. As far as all the stuff that I looked at out there, this was far better than every one of the others. So, nice and sturdy, strong doors, strong shelves. Good cabinet. See you on the next video.